To change the cabin air filter, we're gonna open this. There's two tabs right here. Come here, you can see it right here. You see this tab, and here there's another one. You just press both of these in and it'll come down. It can disconnect and get out of the way actually entirely, but we'll just leave it like that. Then, as you can see, they've taken out my air filter and they haven't put anything back in, so it's already off. This is the cover. There are two tabs. You just pull them aside and pull the cover out. So you take out these wires, just press this in, pull that out. See that tab? You just push that in. On this one, this tab, you push it in. Take all that out. I'm gonna slide in the air filter facing down. And reinstall the cover. And that's it. Now we're gonna reattach these. They'll only go in the right place because they're two different sizes. So this one, blue one, goes over here. This one goes over here. Make sure those tabs stay in. Push it back in, done.